Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a daily schedule on Google Sheets. I'm just going to select File, New from Template Gallery. And I'm going to find the daily schedule, which is this one. And you're just going to select that. And here, you're just going to edit the date. So, 24. And today's like April the 1st. Oh my gosh, happy April Fool's Day. I'm just kidding. But anyways, it'll start like from like the date you chose. And here you can choose, well, like you can type in waking up. Then here I'm just going to type in shower, breakfast. And here you can also change the like time. For instance, you wake up at like 7:30, you can do that. And then like you shower at 8:30, you have breakfast at like 8, well, at 9. And then here maybe you have work, etc., etc. And you can also kind of like move it here. For instance, it's the same for the weekdays, like you work till Friday. So we're just going to place it like this. Oops, I think I accidentally put in shower instead of breakfast, but yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!